Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a fresh moringa and hibiscus deep treatment that will leave your natural hair soft, moisturized and full of life. This DIY is packed with nutrients that strengthen your hair, promotes growth and add amazing shine, all using natural ingredients. So let's get started. So our today ingredient is fresh moringa and hibiscus leaf. This hibiscus leaf is commonly known as sobo leaf in Nigeria. So if you did not get access to this fresh moringa or this hibiscus, you can use the powder one, the powder form, because they all have the same nutrient. So our first thing to do is to rinse it out. Firstly, rinsing your moringa leaf and hibiscus petal thoroughly before blending, because this is packed with dirt. I just pluck this moringa is freshly plucked from the tree, and this hibiscus is dried, so there is a lot of dirt on it. So I rinse it out for about 3 to 4 times. So I rinse both out for about 4 times. So after rinsing it out, I make sure all the dirt, everything is clean, because we don't want any dirt which cause bacteria on our treatment. So after rinsing both out, I transfer it into a blender. I don't know if you don't have blender, I don't know how you are going to do it. Maybe you can boil this together, but I don't want to boil mine together, so I'm just going to transfer it into my blender, then add in a little bit of water and blend it. You can use a warm water. I use warm water, not cold water, not hot water, just a lukewarm water. So I blend it off camera. This is what it looks like. This doesn't blend smoothly. It just blends a little bit. So after blending it, then I transfer it and sieve it with my wig cap and a bowl to collect this treatment. This treatment is packed with a lot of ingredients, a lot of benefits. So I spray, and because of the moringa is a little bit slippery. If you blend fresh moringa, it's a little bit slippery. So maybe in our next video I'm going to show you how to make a moringa gel. Yes, you can use moringa to detangle your hair. So because of this water, I added a lot of water. That is why this doesn't look slippery on camera, but if you touch it, it is very slippery, and you can use it as a detangler. So this is what it looks like. I don't add anything, with just 2 ingredients. Your hair you will be amazed with the result. So this is very beneficial for your hair growth, your dandruff, if you are experiencing dandruff, hair shedding, hair breakage, itchiness of the scalp. So this is very good. So after straining it out, I discard the shaft. I don't use it anymore. Then I transfer it into my spray bottle. If you don't have spray bottle, you can use an applicator bottle, but using an applicator bottle will make it even more easier for you to apply on your hair than a spray bottle, because of the moringa gel. So using an applicator bottle will be more easier for you, but since I don't have applicator bottle, so I'm going to use my spray bottle. This is very packed with a lot of ingredients. Onto the application. This is my hair. My hair is very dry and damp, so I want to wash my hair, but I don't have any means of detangler to detangle my hair. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to spray this all over my hair and gently, easy, step by step, by insertion, then detangle my hair. Apply this on my hair. Here are some benefits of moringa and hibiscus. Moringa is rich in iron, zinc and vitamin A, B and C, all crucial for healthy hair growth. Iron supports blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring hair follicle receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Zinc helps repair tissue and regulate hair production in the scalp, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. Moringa contains amino acid, the building block of protein which are essential for strengthening hair strand and preventing breakage. It helps in the formation of keratin, a key protein component of hair. It also contains omega-3 fatty acid and also contributes to stronger, more resistant hair. Moringa's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property help smooth the scalp and reduce inflammation, which can hinder hair growth. It can help combat dandruff and other scalp conditions by fighting fungi and bacterial infection. Moringa contains fatty acid and antioxidants that can help smooth the hair cuticle, reduce frizz and hardy shine. It can also help hair retain its natural pigment, preventing premature graying. Hibiscus is believed to stimulate hair follicle, encouraging new growth. It's rich in amino acid and vitamin which can nourish the hair, strengthening roots and reduce hair fall. Hibiscus can help improve the overall thickness of hair strand. Hibiscus has anti-inflammatory property that can smooth irritated scalp. It can help balance the scalp pH, create a healthy environment for hair growth. So, combining these two ingredients together will make a long way on your hair growth journey. If you are experiencing hair coloring like graying hair, brown hair, using hibiscus and moringa will prevent it from graying and browning. This will black your hair, this will dark your hair. So with the color, with this, don't mind the coloring of my hand. This doesn't stain, this rinse off, wash off easily. So you can use this doesn't stain your hair or stain your hand. So by washing it off with soap then and shampoo, then this will clean, this coloring will clean. So using this to prevent hair fall or dandruff or itchiness of the scalp, this will go a long way. So apply this treatment from the roots to the tips. Focus on dry or damaged areas, then massage your hair thoroughly. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it to sit for 30 to 45 minutes. You can use a heat cap for a deeper treatment. Then rinse thoroughly and style as usual. And that is it for today's video. If you tried this DIY, tag me on Instagram or comment below how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural hair tips every week. See you in my next video. Bye love and stay blessed.